anything.
No planes, no trains, nothing.
Nothing. It was amazing.
That was different. Yeah, that's something. That's good perspective. You didn't hear anything.
Yeah.
Wow.
I happened to be short-handed that day. Normally, my work hours from 5:30 in the morning to get the ovens and everything going, and till 4 in the afternoon. Like I just said, we were short-handed, so I had to stay till a little after 5. Well, I immediately shoveled my car out in the parking lot. I was able to do that. And then when I get in the car, I turn the radio on, and they said nothing was moving on 128. I usually go, and go right to Braintree. So anyway, I turned the radio on, and nothing was moving. So I said, well, this is great. I got to find another way home. So, like I said, I left a little after 5.
So he took my daughter's sled, and he couldn't stand it because he felt trapped. And I had plenty of food in the freezer and on the shelves, but he had to go to the grocery store. He just had to. So he took the sled and walked all the way up the mile to the grocery store and back again.
Wow. Her into the hospital to have her baby. Anna was her name. Beyond that, my father was a Boston firefighter. He had a hard time getting back and forth to work, but he did get in. There were no cars. Phyllis, you're right, there were not many cars on the road. Most of the nurses I worked with got in either by the Boston Police Department or through the National Guard.
Well, I made some wine, and someone asked what the name of the wine was. And he says, well, it doesn't matter anyways, I blessed it, so it's going to be good wine. and I find out that all the time that I'm home with 7 kids, sweating up my cooking meals, you know what the routine is. She's there drinking wine in the convent. And they finally, the budget was so upset by the cost of the wine and everything, they had to kick him out. They didn't want to leave.
And my Teresa threw her arms around me. He said, oh, I'm so glad. She was really worried that I wasn't going to make it.